Hey, welcome back to my channel. A little something silly I'm doing here. Are Notchy motors better than smooth motors? Or are smooth motors better than Notchy motors? And what do I mean by that? So here we have an 1106. This is a SkyStars 1106 4500 kV motor. And they are super notchy. Okay? And these are the new Iflight Nano Sing 1206 4500 kV motors. Both of them have 12 magnets. The magnets in the Iflight motor are a little bit thicker. Okay, I've done an unboxing of the Iflight motor, so if you want to check that out. But this is kind of notchiness, and I was trying to think, how can I relay this in a video? I mean, you can hear it in flight. Notchier motor just has a little more sound to it, but I want to do a comparison. We're gonna look at the notchy of the motor, the best way I could describe it, and then we're gonna go fly it. Okay, and then we're gonna compare it with a snippet of video of a punch out. Okay, and kind of see, you know, what my opinion is. I've flown probably I can't tell you how many packs, well over 100 packs on these little motors. And then I'm going to do the flight video on this. So if you want to check that video out of comparing this quadcopter with an 1106 Notchy motor versus a 1206 smooth motor. So I'll have a video on that if you want to check that out. So how can I figure out a way to describe notchiness and smooth motors in a video? So I've kind of come up with this. So here we have the 1106, what I consider a pretty notchy motor. Now if I were to just kind of, and we just put the tip of the prop right in the center of that, and we just barely, just slowly press down on it. Okay, so I've seen a 13. I've even seen a 12 as I push down on it before it notches over. Okay, so that it takes roughly around 12 grams to push the edge of that tip up for one notch. Okay, so now the Iflight Nano motor, getting about, I've seen 8. There was a 9. So 9 grams. That's the best I can get out of it, is about 9 grams. We'll rotate it a little bit. Yeah, about 9. And with the 1106 motors, what I would consider a notchy motor, so definitely some, I don't know, that's about as scientific as I can get with what I got in front of me here. But so this smoother motor takes about 9 grams to push it from one pole to the next pole. Okay, and then roughly between 12 and 13 grams to push this one. So my thought is with the smoother motor, we should run a little bit cooler, and we're gonna have less grunt, less thrust with a smoother motor. With a notchier motor, I think we get a little more grunt. I believe we get a bit more heat, and I do believe they're a little harder to tune. I have a 3-inch quad, And this quadcopter here, I've done a full build video on this a while ago, so if you want to check that out. But this is the Gep RC 1206, so they're pretty smooth feeling as well. And it took me a lot more time to tune out the 1106 Notchy motors than it did the 1206 smoother motors. I believe the Gep RC motors are even notchier than the Iflight motors. So I'm real curious to wonder what kind of flight I get out of it. But basically these 1206 motors are going to go into this build that I've already done a full review, full build, how to set up a transmitter, all the settings in Betaflight. I mean, everything I can think of I've threw into that hour and 7-minute video. So go check that out if you want. But that video had the 1106 SkyStars motors on it. Now I've crashed the quad pretty good in the gravel, and I broke one of the magnets, one of the 12 magnets, so I can't find a replacement. So that's why we're putting these on. But I just thought, you know what, these are really different feeling. I hope that they're not weak, you know what I mean? So I got a flight video of what this performs like. We're gonna do a comparison punch, so it should be kind of a cool video. But let's see what the end result is, notchy or smooth, and why. Let's check that out. All right, so we're here at the flight field, and as you know, we had some notchy motors on this, and now we got the Iflight 1206 4500 kV. We're running a 650 milliamp 4S tattoo. So we're gonna go ahead and give these Iflight Nano motors a little go for their money here. They're really smooth, and I just want to see what kind of performance we get on a smooth motor versus a really notchy motor. And I also have my other 3-inchers here. This is my favorite 3-incher right now. Just slammed diatone, the Eachine diatone 349 mix. So can't wait to get this one up in the air. But first we'll go ahead and get a comparison to that one. See what the smooth motors are like. Here's the field where we're at. So I'll get a good idea, some performance and whatnot. Alright, let's check it out. So here we have the SkyStars 1106 motors. Your throttle punch. Oh, she sounds pretty good. Here we have the Iflight 1206 motor. Let's do a full punch here. Yeah, nowhere near the zip of those 1106. All right, let's get some FPV here. Got a fresh tattoo 650 4S pack on. So we're gonna just kind of get a hover here. So we're about, yeah, maybe 19. Yeah, about 19 for a hover. Maybe, yeah, we'll say 18 for a hover. Now you're watching that battery voltage in the bottom left, and then in the top right under air, the 14, 15, that's the throttle. So you watch how much throttle input is given compared to voltage drop. Now these do seem to fly pretty decent. The only thing is those 1106 motors were just so aggressive. Like when I do a punch out, it would just, I don't know, it would just go, you know. That's a full punch out, which is respectable, but I think, I don't know.
I hate to have preconceived notions that notchier motors give you more performance, but
they just seem to be. I don't know, what's your opinion about notchy motors versus smooth motors? And if you don't have a lot of experience between smooth and notchy motors, then I'm going to have to say, for my advice, I would prefer a notchier motor. I don't think these give as much flight time. I don't think they have as much oomph and rip. They just don't seem to rip as good as the 1206 that I have experience with. And they definitely don't seem to have the rip and snort of the 1106 notchy motors. But what's your opinion? I'm curious to wonder in comments. Let me know what you think. And if this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you hate it, give me a thumbs down. It all works. But enjoy the breeze.